No, I thought some in the family could use a quick lesson on how to use a chainsaw that you fixed, right? Or how to use a chainsaw at all. Okay? Here's a demonstration.
Wait, Albert, can I turn the phone this way?
Now you'll see at the end of the project here that we have a lot of sawdust. Got the help here helping out. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was that totally awesome?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. And you see over here that thanks to my handiness and craftsmanship and just pure skill, that I fit a picnic table into a single garbage can. Yep. I'll just close out with a shot of the evidence.